Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from your Xiaomi 13T. So if you see something like that, when you're trying to visit inside, just spammy pop-ups or something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software. And we can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm going to show you the first method. Open the settings, then go to the apps, choose the manage apps, and now check the list, all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize name, just tap on it and select reinstall, choose the OK, and after that go back to the app list, then look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Now just tap on the storage and just clear data, tap on the manage space and select clear all data, tap on OK. After that your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm only using Avast, so we can launch it now. In this application, tap on the Get Started and just skip. Tap on the Continue and close the ad. Now just continue with ads and tap on the current circle. After that you have to add a permission to the files and scan should start automatically, and after that your phone should be free from any unwanted software that you have on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.